Did you buy a car at an auction like Copart or IAAI to fix up and sell, or just rebuilding your own vehicle after an accident? Our activated headrest repair services help you keep more of your profits. We help to save so much time and money, eliminating the need to constantly search for new parts. At MyAirBags, we specialize in affordable repairs and replacements. Our services can save you up to 80% compared to purchasing new replacement parts. Crash-activated headrests are a vital safety feature. They deploy in an accident to protect the driver and passengers from whiplash and other injuries. Many vehicles, from Dodge to Ford to Mercedes-Benz, come with crash-activated headrests. But we don't stop there. We also repair battery cables, rollover bars, collapsible steering columns, hood actuators, and more. And with our quick turnaround, we can repair and return your part to you in just 24 hours. Choosing MyAirBags is a smart choice because we offer reliable, cost-effective repairs that help you get your auction vehicles ready for resale quickly and safely. Visit MyAirBags.com today and see how we can help you save on essential repairs. MyAirBags, your trusted partner in vehicle safety.